To be equals.
Ser.
English-Spanish mini podcast for fast fluency. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun shortcut to Spanish. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today we tackle to be, Spanish.
Ser.
With jokes, quick drills, and mini dialogues so you can introduce yourself, praise friends, and label the world with confidence. Buckle up, your Spanish identity powers are loading. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll master the core forms of
Ser.
and use them out loud. Ready? Let's go. You'll say who you are, who they are, and what it is, clearly and confidently, using
Yo soy. Tú eres. Él es. Ella es. Somos. Vosotros sois.
and.
Ellos son.
The forms made silly. Repeat after me, and yes, you're allowed to grin. Base idea, to be equals.
Ser.
Identity mode, on. I am equals.
Yo soy.
Example, I am unstoppable before coffee. You are, a friend, equals.
Tú eres.
Example, you are the snack hero. He is equals.
Él es.
Example, he is the playlist boss. She is equals.
Ella es.
Example, she is the queen of comfy hoodies. It is equals.
Es.
Example, it is a terrible idea that we love. We are equals.
Somos.
Example, we are a team of caffeine-powered geniuses. You all are, Spain, informal, equals.
Vosotros sois.
Example, you are the legends of group chats. They are equals.
Ellos son.
Example, they are champions of last-minute plans. Mini dialogue, introductions. Act it out with me, point, smile, and speak up. You, hi, I'm Alex. In Spanish.
Yo soy.
Alex. You, pointing to your friend.
Él es.
Sam, he's the DJ. You, gesturing to a woman.
Ella es.
Mia, she is the coach. You, holding a flyer.
Es.
Una buena idea ir. It is a good idea to go. Group cheer.
Somos.
Amigos y.
Ellos son.
Los nuevos del equipo. We are friends, and they are the newcomers. Call and repeat drill. Say it out loud, your mic is your mouth. I'll cue, you answer after the pause. Say, to be, in Spanish. Answer.
Ser.
Say, I am. Answer.
Yo soy.
Say, you are, to a friend. Answer.
Tú eres.
Say, he is. Answer.
Él es.
Say, she is. Answer.
Ella es.
Say, it is. Answer.
Es.
Say, we are. Answer.
Somos.
Say, you all are, Spain, informal. Answer.
Vosotros sois.
Say, they are. Answer.
Ellos son.
Culture tip. Spain versus elsewhere. Small map, big difference, no stress. In Spain, friends in a group here.
Vosotros sois.
In Latin America, and formally in Spain, you'll hear, you all are, as.
Ustedes son.
For today's list, keep practicing.
Vosotros sois.
So you're ready for Spain, and still understand the rest of the Spanish-speaking world. Lightning quiz. Quick questions, quick wins, shout the answers. Q. Translate, we are engineers. Just the verb. A.
Somos.
Q. It is Monday, what's the Spanish, it is? A.
Es.
Q. They are winners, start with, they are. A.
Ellos son.
Q. You are, to a single friend. A.
Tú eres.
Q. You all are, to friends in Madrid. A.
Vosotros sois.
Speak up challenge. Time to own it, make it yours. 1. Introduce yourself.
Yo soy.
Plus your name, profession. 2. Point out two people.
Ellos son.
Plus who they are. 3. Make a bold label.
Es.
Plus a true statement, e.g.
Es.
Verdad. Bonus in Spain. Praise your group with.
Vosotros sois.
Incredibles. Wrap up and gracias. Nice work, you showed up and spoke up. Today you mastered to be equals.
Ser. Yo soy. Tú eres. Él es. Ella es. Somos. Vosotros sois. Ellos son.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily, share a smile with your Spanish, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more episodes, cheat sheets, and fun drills from Synapse Lingo. Hasta la próxima.